A drink made from garlic peels, a folk recipe against allergies and coughs. Garlic peels, often discarded, actually contain some beneficial compounds, including antioxidants and potentially anti-inflammatory substances. Some folk remedies suggest using garlic peels to make a drink that can help with allergies and coughs. While there's limited scientific evidence to support the effectiveness of such a remedy, it's generally considered safe, and some people find it helpful. Here's a simple recipe you can try. Ingredients: garlic peels from 4-6 cloves of garlic. Water, 1-2 cups. Honey, optional, for taste. Instructions: collect the peels from several garlic cloves. You can do this by gently separating the peels from the cloves using your fingers. Place the garlic peels in a saucepan and add enough water to cover them. You can start with 1-2 cups of water, depending on how strong you want the infusion to be. Bring the water and garlic peels to a boil, and then reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 10–15 minutes. Remove the saucepan from the heat and allow the mixture to cool to a comfortable drinking temperature. If you'd like to sweeten the drink and make it more palatable, you can add honey to taste. Strain the liquid to remove the garlic peels, and then transfer it to a cup or glass. Drink the garlic peel infusion slowly. You can have it once or twice a day as needed for allergy or cough relief. Remember that while garlic peels may have some potential health benefits, they may also have a strong garlic aroma and taste, which not everyone finds pleasant. Additionally, if you have any allergies to garlic or experience digestive discomfort from consuming garlic, it's best to avoid this remedy. If your allergies or cough persist or worsen, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment.